There's almost nothing more satisfying than cleaning the leaves off the lawn. I get the old crappy one, and that noise is the big burly one that we rented for Megan, because she really, I mean, I'll do this, but she really likes it. Bad idea. Whoa, hey, you're making a mess. Looks pretty good. She did good. I mean, I helped too, but how'd it go, babe?
Good.
Like your headband.
Thanks.
I'm ready to go. I just, I don't know where my helmet is. Let's see if we can find that. Nope. Hey! There it is. There you go. I almost forgot my bike. When you go riding, you really just gotta have your bike more than anything. Okay, I'm done forgetting things. Let's get out of here. So I've been thinking lately a lot about how to know when to quit. So when I was 16, I started playing music. And then when I was 18, I joined a band that was more popular than mine, and therefore I had more opportunity. And then I toured for 4 years. 4 whole years till I was 22. I mean, not all the time, but like 9 months out of the year. What made me finally quit was actually because I wanted to hang out with Megan, because we got married when I was 22. But also what made me quit is I had a lack of skill, I think, to get to my dreams. And it took me 4 years to know that I should quit. What is going on? Ready to rock? Sorry. Sorry. Clip-ins got me. How do you know when to quit when you're doing something creative or just on a ride where there's snow?
I guess if you're not having any fun with it anymore, at least you need to reset, take a step back. Yeah, and then you'll get your love for it back if it's truly your passion.
That was a good answer, but you're gonna have to send this creek.
Okay.
Wow, so we did quit that bike ride. Probably should have quit a little bit earlier because my hands are so cold we have to keep stopping. I fell down 3 times. I think because it was so wet and my bike doesn't have suspension, and I was driving it like it was dry and I had suspension.
You were sending pretty hard.
Into the ground. I think another marker for me about when I should quit is when I can't obsess about something. When I was playing music, I knew it was time to quit because I didn't care about learning new music, about the process of getting a larger audience, about just the whole passion part of it had disappeared. I stopped thinking about it in my brain. I wasn't obsessing. And that was an indicator that I should quit. With photos, I haven't stopped obsessing at all. That's all I ever think about. If you don't have obsession, I think it might be time to move on. And there's a lot of shame associated with quitting. But for me, if I'm not quitting what I'm doing that I'm not supposed to do or I'm not into, I'm missing out on the thing that I really could be obsessing about and that I should be into. So don't feel shame if you want to quit. I mean, I just quit today my motorcycle ride with a friend because It's totally snowing out there. Okay, Daddy's gonna try it.
Yeah, we'll be right here.
I'll probably fall down.
And go boom.
And we'll boom. Oh, there's some rocks there. You ready?
Yeah, I guess.
Fritz can't even see. You need some help, buddy?
I'm trying.
Here, let me help you. That's better.